This is the queue. It's like half the queue now. And then it joins in where it says 3.1.
When we get like nearly on the boat, we have to say, come on, get on the boat with us. We are moving.
We are moving. We're going on a boat. Boat. You ready?
Come on, get on the boat.
Come on, let's get on the boat. What are we on?
We're on a boat.
We are on a boat. Do you know what this river's called or not?
Dad, pick up seats. We're moving. Dad, come on. I need to do my song when we're like moving.
Passer sous 22 ponts et découvriront les principaux monuments de Paris. Pour recevoir des notifications dès que nous passerons à côté d'un monument. Les toilettes sont situées sur le pont inférieur et le troisième. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome aboard Bateau Parisien. Downstream we will pass under 22 bridges and discover the main monuments of Paris. A commentary of the cruise in 11 languages is available on your smartphone. Simply scan the QR code displayed throughout the boat. I advise you to activate your geolocation to receive notification as we pass by each monument. Please note that the restrooms are located Bisogna semplicemente scanerizzare il codice QR e trovate dappertutto nel battello. Vi consiglio di attivare la geolocalizzazione mentre ancora una principale crociera. Devant nous, le pont de la main situé à proximité du tunnel où la princesse de Galles Lady Diana a été blessée mortellement en 1997. Siamo appena passati davanti alla statua dorata che si trova vicino al sottopasso del venerdì 297 Mori, ma attualmente unisce le strade della discesa del Galles. Diana Spencer, il tema della libertà, è diventata spontaneamente memoria non ufficiale della viceversa.
That's good.
It's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's over there?
A dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Le commentaire va continuer dans les smartphones avec l'histoire du Grand Palais, construite pour l'exposition universelle de 1900, comme pavillon d'exposition qui se trouve sur la gauche, encore caché par les arbres. The commentary continues on your smartphone with the history of inauguré en 1900, symbole
Look at that bridge.
The Alexander III Bridge, built in 1900 as a symbol of Franco-Russian
You hear
friendship.
that? Alexander the
This bridge
First.
has a counterpart in St. Petersburg, a principale built come simbolo dell'amicizia
What's that,
franco-russa.
man?
Questo ponte ha un omologo costruito qualche anno dopo la strada. Qui a été construit avec des pierres venues de l'ancienne prison de la Bastille après sa démolition. À gauche, la place de la
Eiffel Tower in the
parce que Paris
background.
c'est un luxe à la 1800 qui se tient à la guillotine pendant la guerre. bateaux que vous voyez sur la gauche sont quelques niches d'anciens bateaux commerçants qui ont été transformés.
What is that building?
What is that building? Don't know.
On the left, we pass by the Louvre. The first Louvre palace was built here in the Middle Ages by King Philippe Augustus.
Philippe Augustus.
To protect Paris from potential invasions. After the royal.
You right, Lil?
Imagine getting married and being on a boat.
Married on a boat? Oh. Where do the people? What are they doing? Comment down below. You know what they're doing? You live in Paris, you know what they're doing. Or they just literally chilling. Wonder who's on that horse. Abba. Oh, they're not very nice faces, are they?
I'm trying to enjoy the ride. You don't want to scream.
Les quartiers d'affaires se sont développés au Moyen-Âge lorsqu'un groupe d'intellectuels quando un gruppo di intellettuali ha fondato qui l'Università della Sorbona. In quel periodo il ha fatto il latino per
still waving.
le attuali del quartiere.
Another boat. Oh, they're having a good party on there. There's a party over there.
You should go out.
Beautiful sunset, sailing down the river. Turning around. Returning.
Mesdames et messieurs, sur la gauche du pays,
Oh look, they're all salsa dancing.
Wow, why is that so bright?
It's called the sun.
I know.
Could be samba.
We might. Beautiful sunset in Paris.
Look at the ocean.
It's a river.
River even.
nous nous dirigeons à présent de nouveau vers la Tour Eiffel en passant le long de l'île Saint-Louis. We are now heading back towards Eiffel Tower, passing on the other side of the Saint-Louis Island.
Where's your phone?
In Mum's hand.
Mum, can I have Dad's phone?
Personnalités de la Révolution ont été jugées et emprisonnées. More than 700 prisoners were held here, including Queen Marie-Antoinette. A sinistra la conciergerie in vestigio del 1682 per Versailles.
Where? That's not
En 1939 est devenu un musée spécialisé dans l'art du 19e et l'impressionnisme en 1986 on the left. The former Orsay station, now the Orsay Museum, the station opened in 1960.
There's the Eiffel Tower. Assemblée Nationale.
Le commentaire continue dans le smartphone avec le dernier tsar de Russie, Nicolas II, en 1896. The commentary continues on your smartphone il tunnel 1896.
It's golden statues, aren't they cool?
Yeah.
It might light up any minute because now it's sunset. Like.
Sur la droite, qui est devenue la mascotte des Parisiens pendant la crue de
I'm trying to
qui est
catch
l'un
the
della
Eiffel
scene del
Tower.
1910.
Do you want to base
Why does that look like the moss? They'll be coming on any second now. I'm questioning, how do they clean the Eiffel Tower?
I don't actually know. Lots of WD-40.
I don't know how they get on the outside. It's the locked bridge, Daddy.
Yeah.
There's the locked bridge.
The lock
Après, il y a
bridge.
le bridge sur la terrasse. Il commento continua a seguire sul smartphone con la storia della Torre Eiffel e del Trocadero ai lati del ponte di Seine.
Oh look at all those blocks there.
I know, I saw them. I can't turn my head that much, Dad. Look at the lights on the Eiffel Towers. I think they're going to come on. I'm watching the Eiffel Tower. Well, you can see the lift. Looks like a car climbing up the thing. You can see some of the lights, can't you? Look. They're probably working it. The owners of the things who work for the Eiffel Tower are probably going up those lifts right now to turn the lights on.
Probably.
Because they don't turn on automatically.
So he's got to plug them in, isn't he?
Yeah. He's turning now. No. I'm not sitting down, I'm blinking.
Mesdames et messieurs, notre croisière s'achève pour des raisons de sécurité a Disneyland Paris. Signore e signori, la nostra crociera termina qui.
Two, one. Dun dun dun.
Del barco, signore e signori, l'uscita è
Tell me if the thing lights up.
Battello. Merci beaucoup à tous.
Watching the breakfast, watching the Eiffel Tower, watching the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah.
Eiffel Tower, make my dream come true.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe our channel, turn on our channel.
Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up.
Bam!
Bye guys!
Bye guys.